Hey there, seniors. Did you know that by the time you hit 80, your muscle mass may have shrunk by half compared to when you were younger? It's not just a minor setback, it's a serious issue called sarcopenia. It's a condition that steals independence and affects over 50 million seniors worldwide. Falls caused by weak muscles send more than 300,000 elderly people to the hospital each year. Scary stuff, right? But here's the shocking truth. And this is something you won't hear from your doctor. It's not all downhill from here. In fact, research shows that some people in their 70s have the strength, function, and even the appearance of someone decades younger. Meanwhile, many others struggle with simple tasks like getting out of a chair or climbing stairs. There's a secret that some seniors are using to keep their strength, even into their 90s. They're climbing mountains, playing sports, and keeping their independence long into old age. Curious about what their trade secret is? Well, hold on tight because today we're about to reveal that secret, and it all starts with one daily habit that can restore your muscle strength and keep you feeling like you're in your 40s again. Like and subscribe to get more life-changing health tips for seniors. Also, let us know in the comments where you are watching from. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Chapter 1: The shocking truth about muscle loss. First, let's talk about muscle loss or sarcopenia. It's something most seniors face, but we rarely talk about it openly. Did you know that by the time you're 80, you've probably lost half of your muscle mass? And no, it's not just a result of getting older. It's actually a disease that's slowly eating away at your independence. Imagine trying to climb stairs, get up from a chair, or carry your groceries, but your muscles are just not cooperating. That's the reality for many older adults who suffer from sarcopenia. But wait, it doesn't have to be this way. Researchers at the Mayo Clinic and Harvard Medical School have uncovered something extraordinary. Many seniors can reverse muscle loss and regain their strength, even if they're in their 70s or 80s. Chapter 2: The one habit that can change everything. So, what's the magic habit that can restore muscle strength and help you feel like you're in your 40s again? It's all about how you stress your muscles. That sounds counterintuitive, doesn't it? How can stress be a good thing? Well, hormesis is the key. Hormesis is a process where brief exposures to stress, things that would normally harm you if they were constant, actually benefit your body in small doses. It's like saying, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And when done right, it works wonders for your muscles. Take, for example, the practice of cold exposure. Cold showers, or even short cold plunges, trigger your body's defense systems, protecting and strengthening your muscles. Superagers, those rare seniors who seem to defy the aging process, use this technique to stay strong well into their 80s. But it doesn't stop there. There's also heat exposure through saunas. Regular sauna use has been linked to 40% less muscle loss compared to those who don't use saunas. That's right. Regular saunas could be your secret weapon to building strength. The most exciting part, you don't have to be extreme about it. Just 30-60 seconds of cold exposure at the end of your shower or a few sauna sessions each week can make a big difference. This simple habit could revitalize your muscles. Chapter 3: Timing your protein intake for maximum muscle growth. Now let's talk about protein. If you're like most seniors, you probably know protein is important. But did you know that timing your protein intake is just as crucial? Here's the thing. As we age, our bodies don't process protein as efficiently. This phenomenon is called anabolic resistance. But scientists have figured out a way around this. It's all about spreading your protein intake throughout the day. Instead of loading up on protein all at once, like at dinner, try to consume 25-30 grams of protein at each meal. This small change can lead to a 25% increase in muscle protein synthesis, which means your muscles will grow stronger and healthier. So don't start your day with just toast or cereal. Try eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie instead. And for lunch and dinner, include lean meats, fish, or even vegetarian options like lentils and beans. This strategy is so effective that seniors in a 12-week study gained an average of 1.2 pounds of muscle without changing anything else about their lifestyle. Chapter 4: Optimizing vitamin D for strong muscles. Did you know there's a vitamin that's crucial for muscle health? It's vitamin D. Unfortunately, more than 80% of seniors have inadequate levels of vitamin D, and it's a silent killer of strength. Vitamin D doesn't just help your bones, it also activates the genes that are involved in building muscle. In fact, research from Harvard University found that seniors with optimal vitamin D levels had 25% more muscle strength than those who were deficient. So, how do you get enough vitamin D? The best source is sunlight, but that can be tricky as we get older. Your skin's ability to produce vitamin D decreases by 50% between the ages of 20 and 65. That's where supplementation comes in. Most seniors need between 2,000 and 4,000 IU per day. Be sure to also eat vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy. And don't forget about vitamin K2, which helps calcium get to the bones instead of the arteries. Chapter 5, Managing Inflammation for Stronger Muscles. Another crucial factor in muscle strength is inflammation. As we age, our bodies often deal with low-grade chronic inflammation, also known as inflammaging. This type of inflammation breaks down muscle protein faster than it can be rebuilt. But here's the good news. You can manage inflammation with simple changes to your daily habits. Sleep. Make sure you're getting enough quality sleep, as poor sleep can increase inflammation by up to 40%. Stick to a regular bedtime and ensure your room is dark and quiet. Diet. Super-agers prioritize a diet rich in plant foods, 30-plus servings per week, fermented foods, yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and anti-inflammatory substances like omega-3 fatty acids, turmeric, and extra virgin olive oil. Exercise. While moderate exercise is important, avoid intense workouts that could increase inflammation. Instead, focus on regular mobility with occasional short bursts of intensity. These strategies can reduce inflammation and help you keep your muscles strong for years to come. Chapter 6, Micronutrients for Muscle Function. Did you know that magnesium plays a vital role in muscle health? Unfortunately, over 70% of seniors are magnesium deficient. It's a key nutrient for muscle function, and without it, your muscles won't perform at their best. Studies show that seniors with adequate magnesium levels have a 30% stronger grip and much better physical performance overall. You can get magnesium from dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and even dark chocolate. Other essential nutrients for muscle health include creatine and B12. Creatine, which is often associated with bodybuilders, can also improve muscle mass and strength in older adults. And B12 is critical for energy production and muscle function, especially since our bodies absorb it less efficiently as we age. Chapter 7, Protecting Your Neuromuscular Connections. Lastly, let's talk about your neuromuscular connections, the vital link between your muscles and your nervous system. As we age, these connections weaken, which makes it harder for your brain to communicate with your muscles. But here's the exciting news. Strong seniors or super-agers have better neuromuscular connections than most people their age. This means they can continue to engage their muscles effectively, no matter how old they are. To protect and strengthen your neuromuscular connections, try regular strength training and balance exercises. These activities help maintain those vital links, allowing you to stay strong, independent, and agile as you age. There you have it, the one daily habit that can help you restore muscle strength and feel like you're in your 40s again. By incorporating these simple, science-backed habits into your routine, you can regain your independence, stay strong, and live your best life well into your golden years. Remember, it's never too late to start. Start small and gradually build these habits into your life. Your muscles will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more tips on senior health. And be sure to share this with anyone who could benefit from learning how to stay strong and healthy as they age. Stay strong, stay independent, and we'll see you in the next video.